New ultra-slim iPhone model, which could be called the iPhone 17 Air or Slim. It's expected to replace the iPhone 16 Plus. According to Ming Chi Kuo, the iPhone 17 Air is going to be a mere 5.5mm thick. The current iPhone 16 measures 7.8mm thick. The iPhone 17 Air may only offer eSIM support. We recently saw the device in concept renders, and now, another set of renders has just leaked that showcase a slightly different design language. According to previous reports, it will have a 6.6-inch display with dynamic island and 120Hz promotion support. For performance, it may get Apple's next-gen A19 chip, which is expected to be built on TSMC's advanced 2nm process. If the rumors are accurate, the iPhone 17 Slim won't be cheap. It's expected to be the most expensive model in the series, with a starting price of around $1,299. By comparison, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. The main selling point is said to be its all-new design, touting a super-thin aluminum titanium chassis and a relocated rear camera that could feature a variable aperture for the first time. As for camera updates, Apple is said to be working on an updated 24-megapixel front-facing camera with a 6-element lens, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max could include an upgraded 48-megapixel telephoto camera, which would be an improvement over the current 12-megapixel sensor. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.